Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Bienvenidos a mi cocina. Today I'm making a Batido de Mamey, and today is my cheat day because I'm dieting. Rather eating healthier. But anyway, I'm making a Batido de Mamey with less calories. So I'm using Mamey pulp, sweetened condensed coconut milk, and a cup of almond milk. So right now I'm breaking up my Mamey pulp. And I'm using half a pack, which is about 7 ounces. And if you want to add more Mamey pulp to your blender, you can. Just add a little bit more milk. I'm going to be adding in 1 cup of almond milk. Next, I'm going to be adding in 3 tablespoons of sweetened condensed coconut milk. And if you want to add more coconut milk, you can. Since I've been trying to eat healthier, I'm trying not to give up the foods that I love, but I'm trying to learn how to eat them a lot more smarter. So that's why I'm making this video, so I can share it with you guys if you decide that you want to, make the shake, but you want to make it a little bit more healthier, a little less calories. Next, I'm going to add some ice cubes to the milkshake, and this is to thicken it up and also to help it be less runny. Next, I'm adding about a tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. And if you want to add more sugar, you can. Just taste it as you go to see how sweet it is. And the salt just brings out the sweetness in the milkshake, so that's why I added a pinch of it. Now we're ready to rock and roll. Look how delicious this Mamey shake is. So I'm pouring 2 glasses because it's no fun drinking alone, right? So I hope you guys try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Well guys, it's time for me to go. If you want to see more recipes like this, hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell. And if you want to see traditional Cuban recipes, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell below. Until next time, thanks for watching. Oh, and don't forget to stop by my Facebook group, Cooking the Cuban Way. And also check out my YouTube store. You might find something there that you might like to buy. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.